Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit real players in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, simply go to Creation Center, and in Creation Center, you'll able to see the option Edit Rosters. Select that. Now here, select the first option Manage Players, and you'll able to see the team. If you wanna change the team, simply hold down LT or L2, and just simply choose the team where your player is. And now, if you wanna filter it out by position, you can simply hold down RT or R2, and you'll able to filter it out by position. So whichever player you would like to edit, simply you have to select that player and select the option Edit Player. You will see the window to edit the player. Like, you can change the first name of this player, you can change the last name, position, jersey number, college, hometown, state. Then you can go to rating. Here you'll able to change the rating for this player as well. Then you can also change the abilities, you can also change the apparel. Like, if you select the option Edit Gear, we'll able to change the headgear, torso, arms, lower body and feet. Then last option you have here is appearance. Like, if you want to change the head of this player, you can do that too, like this. Besides that, you can also change physique, like you can change the body type, you can also change height and weight of the player. Now to save the changes, you just need to hit the back button, select the option Save Changes. Following the same process, you can edit multiple players if you like, but in order to save the changes on the roster, we need to hit the back button one more time and select Save. Now you can just name the file whatever you like this, and simply hit the option button, and that will able to save it on your roster. And that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to edit real players in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.